I'm Suki. You're watching Suki's Short Shack, where we're doing a short series because I think it'll be fun. Stay tuned for more, I guess, or don't, whatever. I ordered from Neiman Marcus a large parcel, and I'm bringing you here today to not only unbox this massive beast, but also begin a journey together. A journey of taste. I don't know what's in this box because I bought an advent calendar. And do you want to know how much I spent on it? You really want to know? It was like $100. I figured it had to be really good chocolate at that rate, right? So this is the advent calendar we will be doing. I'm super excited. I hope you're super excited too, because I'm looking forward to each and every day. So, it's Compartes Chocolatier Los Angeles Garden Chocolate Tasting Calendar. Garden tasting. So, shall we start with door number 1? We have got here a... shit. It's a peanut butter banana. Let's dive in. Let's take a little teensy bite. That is a good amount of peanut butter. That is totally palatable. Next up, we've got door number 2. This is the honey lavender. Okay. Yum. But today is December 3rd. So that means I get to have box number 3 too. Honey lavender again. Oh my god. Okay. And of course your bite. Delicious. Fantastic. Wonderful. Absolutely not worth what I paid. Would not recommend. I'm really excited to continue reaping what I sowed. So stay tuned.